and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Abby. I'm your host, Abby McCaffrey. Today we're going to be making quesadillas. The great thing about quesadillas is that you can make it with different tortillas. You have corn tortillas, but we also have flour tortillas. What I love about quesadillas is three things: quick, easy, and I can make it myself. So you can dress up quesadillas as much as you want. You can put like different kinds of meat, like chicken or leftover taco meat or steak or pork. But we're talking lunch, not dinner. But let's talk toppings. We have salsa or sour cream, or you could put guacamole, which is just smashed avocado. My favorite is guac. So first what we're going to do is we're going to take the avocado and we are going to take a knife. Now, just a warning, you may want to have adult supervision when using a knife because it can really hurt you. Now there is a pit in the middle of the avocado, so I have to go around. Now, see it's cut in half. You just take one side and the other side and then slide. Now, once that we have the avocado all scooped out, we're going to take the fork. We're just going to start mashing. Now we can add our garlic salt. I like just putting a little bit of this in the avocado, just so that it gives it a little bit of taste. But we don't want to put too much in, because otherwise all we would taste is the garlic salt. So we just stir that in just a little bit, and voila! Got our avocado. So now we're going to turn on our stove. We don't want it too hot, so then it gets all burnt. But we don't want it too low, then it'll take longer, because it's a quick and easy meal. So we're just gonna put it on medium. Now you always want to make sure that you have adult supervision or permission, so you can use the stove. We're going to take out our tortillas. So usually when you make a quesadilla, you take 2 tortillas and you put cheese on it, and then you put the other, and then you put one of the tortillas on top. But we can't put the cheese on until it's on there. So we're just going to take one of these tortillas and we're going to butter it up. So now we're going to take our tortillas over here. So it's pretty hot, so we're just going to put the butter side down, but we're going to only do one of them. So then we're going to take our cheese that I have previously shredded. I'm just going to sprinkle some on. And then you're going to take the other tortilla and put it butter side up. So now, it's been a couple minutes, I'm going to take a look under. Oh, it's looking pretty good. All right, so we're just going to go under and then flip. All right, so that's looking pretty golden brown. So now we're just going to wait a little bit longer for that other side to crisp, And then it's tasting time. I've made a little plate here, and now I'm going to take a little bite. Take this one. And I'm going to taste it with this little avocado I made. It's really good. I taste the salt and the avocado. Quesadillas are really crispy. And they're golden brown. And it's really good. But let's talk.
Try again.
But let's talk. No. If you ever try this recipe, leave me some feedback down below. Click here to subscribe and click here to see my previous video. Thanks. Hope to see you in the kitchen next time. Bye.